Peter is a design engineer. His work forms the basis for his company's entire development process. Even a small mistake can cause significant delays and high costs. That's why Peter uses the DOCUFY CAx Quality Manager. At the push of a button, the software checks all of his CAD models against a wide variety of requirements, tailored precisely to his area of responsibility. The ease of use and numerous automatic correction options accelerate Peter's workflow and ensure optimized CAD data for all downstream processes. This allows Peter to focus on his core tasks and even take into consideration other divisions' requirements. This saves time and money. The software is ready to use after just 2 days, without any additional effort. Peter doesn't need any training. More than 550 satisfied customers already use the DQM. What are you waiting for?